Hello there, family and friends. If you're from across the world, JoeyDrones. Yes, I am. I'm still on the road. First, let me say congratulations to all the ones that attained the CDLs, all the ones that are driving by themselves, regional, dedicated, home daily. God is good. And let me tell you something that I'm here to help people. I'm here to help people, and I done helped a lot of people. And it's a blessing for me to do so. Because I was there, I did it. And not a lot of people helped me out. The only person, or actually, it was YouTube. You know how you start looking for stuff that you don't know and you want to learn, you go straight to YouTube. But that's how I learned. That's how I learned, because a lot of these mentors, they don't show you nothing. Okay, so then let me tell you something. So then, yeah, again, I got a couple of emails, and I got drivers that I want to join, the trucking industry. Well, to be honest, let me put it this way: it's not like it used to be before. And this goes for a lot of drivers. Even owner operators. The fusing cost right here. I'm on the East Coast. It's here on the East Coast is $3.90. Okay, for the gas. Diesel, it's about close to $5. On diesel. So every time diesel goes up, grocery goes up, because remember, we are the ones that are moving the freight, so they charge us. So because they have to charge to move freight, diesel cost goes up. Inflation, that's what's going on right now. We have inflation, and when inflation is hitting, we're hitting rock bottom, because we're not getting paid like we used to. We're not making money like we used to. That's why a lot of people seeking for better, futures. They are looking for better things to do in life. They are seeking for a better career, because you can't do it anymore in this trucking industry. Back when I started, trucking, I was grossing $1,700 a week. After taxes, $1,300-$1,200. Now you don't see that anymore. Now you have to push it more, push that extra mile to make more. So in other words, you have to work more to get more, or to see more. You know what I'm saying? To see what you used to get paid, you have to push it more. And not everybody likes to work the 14th hour, because we only get 14th hour phone duty time, right? And then we get 10 and a half hours of drive time, which is 11 hours, but we can only drive 10 and a half. But remember, we got to take a 30-minute break. So in reality, it's 10 hours that we can only drive. But a lot of people has been pushing it more. I don't like to push it. I don't like to push it more, because, if you get caught by DOT and if they catch you, you can get in trouble. A lot of the majority of these people, what they do is they're driving, over their limit, and they just going on personal convenience to do one more, and I'm not doing that. I don't play with that. I don't play with that, because if I get caught by DOT, then it's gonna be on me, not on dispatch. So that's why I try not to work, over the 14th hour, and I keep an eye on my clock. Keep an eye on my clock. I try to work as much as I can, do as much as I can, because I only have 10 hours. It's what I always look and I always focus on. All right, my peoples. So again, if you want to try to join this, it's not going to be the same. You're not going to make the same amount of money, and there's going to be a lot of people that's going to say true, not true. They still make more. They're not making more, and it's reality. This goes for a lot of companies and a lot of drivers too. It's not worth it. I don't think it's worth it. So then me, I have to stick around, or get my own truck, and it's gonna be the same. Getting my own truck is gonna be a big responsibility, because you have to take care of all the fees, the insurance and the registration, insurance, and the easy pass of fuel, and maintenance expenses, and it gets expensive, so that's one thing to think about. All right, my people. So yeah, if you want to become a company driver, go ahead, by all means, do it. But it's not, you're not gonna, if you're just starting, then it's different. But if you've been doing it for years, then you'll know. You'll see the difference when it comes, to your wallet. All right, my peoples. So again, do your homework. It's the best thing you can do. And subscribe for more videos. And thanks for your support. I'll catch you in my next video. All right, my peoples. Be safe later. Peace.